What's poppin', gang? I'm back at it with another video. You already know who it is. You already know what it is. As you can see by today's title of the video, we're going to be installing another Resonator. We got another one. It's the part number and all that, and if you need anything, if you need a Resonator. But, y'all know I already got one put on so it kind of sounded better when I like drive fast and like the idle. It got like a deeper tone to it, but I still got like rasping John. I'm trying to get rid of that. So I hit the people up today, and they probably said they say like 135. I'm like, alright, that ain't bad, whatever. So I'm about to go head over there and see how long it's gonna take, and because they said they don't do it for me, they just say they just do drop off. So about to go over there, and hopefully this process don't take long. I'm not gonna be there to see it because I'm just out my car and leaving. But other than that, I hope it sound better. Like the rasping drone be gone. I hope it gonna be deeper, hopefully. But if not, then I don't know. I mean, I like the sound of it now. Like it ain't bad, but the rasping drone like be like ruining it, like for me, like, you know what I'm saying? So, but I take this drive. I ain't gonna be doing too much talk. I'm gonna let y'all. Well, I'm about to show y'all how it sound right quick. Don't mind my check engine light. It's because of my test pipes. But I'm gonna show y'all like how it sound and all that. Window up, window down. I'm gonna do window down first. After this red light, of course. So I'll be like rev it and then show y'all how it sound. That bit sound good, but I need that rasp to be gone, man. I ain't gonna lie. I need that rasp to be gone. Like, let me see, hold on. You know what I'm saying? It sound good, but I need that bit to sound crispy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do like a little pull. Wait, let me get up. Let me get them up there right quick. There's a little song right quick. This is y'all like the rash, the drone. Y'all probably can hit a drone, but I'm gonna wait till I get on the interstate and do another pull. But I'm gonna wait till I get on the interstate and do another one. I don't know why I said I could get a pull on the interstate. They be having traffic like all the time over here, as y'all can see. I don't know. It's always right here. Sound good, but I gotta get rid of that drone and that raz. I need that bit crispy. You know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Traffic all the time. All the time. She ain't even trying to let me over. Matter of fact, she is. Come on, let me in there. But I would just show y'all that right quick. I'm gonna just show y'all like after, you know what I'm saying? I hope they don't try to take the other one off and stuff like that. I just hope they add it to the pipe, and yeah, so. Alright, y'all, I'm finally here. Supreme muffler and auto. I'm about to go up in there, check in right quick, and hopefully this process don't take long. So I'm gonna go up in there, check in, and wait on my ride. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, so job done. They charged me $116, which is not bad. We about to go in for a test sound. Hear how it sound. Hopefully it sound good. Here goes nothing. Man, I still hear the same shit. Oh, I'm about to go for a drive. Alright, try the final test. I'm done with this exhaust. I hear it. I'm done with this exhaust. Hopefully I gotta break it in. I mean, it's not bad right now. bad. Get old, like I said, they always got traffic. Yeah, it's definitely a little quieter. Yeah, always traffic, bro. Always. Always traffic. That's my brother behind me in that pallet, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. Oh yeah. I can hear a little difference. It ain't as bad as it was before. So I'm a little satisfied, you know what I'm saying? One of them. Oh yeah, this sound way better. Oh, gotta put the window up. I ain't got it today, my boy. Ain't got it today. I'm gonna catch one under the bridge for y'all. I'm gonna just wait till this light turn green, so yeah. It definitely got rid of the drone and a little of the rasp. Oh, look at my boy right here. Hold on, let me show y'all something. My boy, you know what I'm saying?
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Oh, yeah, it sound way better. Sound way better. Y'all know I added the paddle shifters on there. Gotta get it. Oh yeah, that's crispy. Sound way much better. Way much better. Oh yeah, that sound way much better, I swear. Y'all probably don't hear, but that sound way much better. I like that. I like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. I ain't trying to do nothing too long. I ain't trying to talk too much. You know what I'm saying? So look, I need y'all to do me one favor. If you made it this far, Bro, if you made it this far in the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. You hear me? Like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let y'all later on the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next, but I might put the front up on. That's what I might do. I got some screws for that last night, so I might just do that. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna let y'all later. You know what I'm saying? I gotta record. I know it's dark, but we're gonna make this happen.